Hey family, this video on flaxseed gel was made a while back and recently a subscriber asked this question. Can the seeds be reused? How is it preserved for the next use if yes? At the time, I'd not given it a try, so I decided to. I started keeping used flax seeds in a Ziploc bag in the freezer, and this has been in the freezer for about a month and some few weeks. This quantity is actually from about 3 batches on different occasions, and I kept all in one Ziploc bag. So to prepare it, I added some water to the pot, set it on low to medium heat, and added the frozen flax seeds. I'll link the video on how to make flaxseed gel with measurements in the iCards above. So there's a picture on the screen of how flax seeds actually look like if this is your first time. But as you can see, I have other things in there, rosemary and cloves. They are optional, I just put them in there for their added benefits for the hair. If you know of any herbs or spices that you can infuse in your flaxseed gel during preparation, please let me know in the comment section. It might also help a person or two to know. So as you can see, the gel is nicely formed and I usually strain it whilst it's still hot. If I allow it to cool a bit, it will be too thick to use the strainer and I'll have to use a stocking. I try to use a spoon or spatula to help the gel drain. This is how it usually looks after straining on my part, and I just leave it at that. I've not tried the stocking before and I'm not sure if I could get everything completely out using the stocking. So as you can see, the answer is yes, the seeds can be reused if stored in the freezer, at least from my experience. Thanks for watching, don't forget to click the like button and I'll see you again in my next video.